This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Slide the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with a prop rod. Loosen the cable clamp nut and disconnect the cable from the negative battery terminal first, then disconnect the cable from the positive battery terminal. Loosen both battery hold-down clamp nuts, removing only one of them. Lift the upper hold-down clamp rod off of the stud and swivel the rod aside. Lift out the battery. Be careful, it's heavy. Make sure that the cable ends are capable of providing a clean connection to the battery terminals. To ensure this, clean the cables with a battery brush. Clean the battery tray, making sure the battery will be set on a smooth, even surface. Install the battery onto the battery tray. Install the battery hold-down clamp over the battery and attach the clamp hooks at each side. Tighten the clamp nuts securely. Connect the positive cable to the positive terminal on the battery. Tighten the nut securely and, if equipped, secure the protective cover over the positive terminal. Connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Tighten the nut securely.